In this video, we are going to see how we can download the activity information from Facebook. So if you want to keep the record of all the activity that you have done on your Facebook profile, here's what you can do. First of all, just click on the top right hand corner and click on the profile icon. Click on the settings and privacy and again click on settings. And on the left hand side, we can see this account center. Just click on the password and security from that, which will take you to the account center additional information. Click on the password and security, which will take you to the account center additional information. Click on your information and permissions. And from here, you have two options. Either you can export your information, that means download your information, or access your information directly here. So we want to export the information. Click on this, click on create export. Export to device, export to external service. We want to export to device. And we can get the notification on our email because this will be exported on the email. Customize the information. You will choose what kind of information do you want to export. You can clear or keep the checkboxes selected according to your needs. Select the time period for the information if you want it to be all time since when you have started the Facebook profile. So you can choose it for that, but it might take longer to export. Let's say I want the last 3 months information. Click save. Format can be HTML or JSON format, whatever you like. And you can select the quality of the information. It mentions all of what is meant by quality. And after that, you can click on start export. Just enter your password, click on continue. And it will take some time and then it will export all the information on your required email. Your information is prepared for export. We will let you know when it is ready. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.